Today in this video lecture, we study about Fibonacci heap. So first, we differentiate what is the difference between binomial heap and Fibonacci. According definition of binomial heap, a binomial heap is a collection of binomial trees. Binomial trees BK is an ordered trees defined recursively. The binomial tree B0 consists of single node. The binomial tree BK consists of two binomial trees BK minus 1 that are linked together. The root of one is the leftmost child of the root of the other. While, like a binomial heap, a Fibonacci heap is collection of min heap order tree. The tree is in a Fibonacci heap are not constrained to be binomial trees. So, binomial heap like that had H, previous of X, X and next. While Fibonacci heap is unordered heap tree, it connected to each other. The root node are connected in form of circular doubly linked list. Suppose 23 contain information 7, 3, 17, 24 and circularly 24 to 23. And doubly linked list, circular doubly linked list means 24 to 17, 3, 7, 3 and this. So Fibonacci heap is collection of unordered trees and those are connected through doubly linked list, circular doubly linked list. Now main operation of apply binary min heap, binomial heap, Fibonacci heap like that. Make heap is the function of binary minimum. Insert H heap in X is the function of binary min heap. Minimum heap is the function of binary heap. Extract minimum heap is the function of binary minimum heap. Now insert hx is the function of binomial heap. Minimum h is the function of binomial heap. Extract min h is the function of binomial heap. Union h1 h2 is the function of binomial heap. Similarly, Fibonacci heap. Extract the min h. Union h1 h2. Decrease key hxk is the function of Fibonacci heap. Delete hx is the function of Fibonacci heap. How Fibonacci heap insert. According to pseudocode of the Fibonacci heap, if degree of x equal to 0 and parent of x is nil, child of x nil, left of x equal to x, right of x equal to x dash, mark x false. So concatenate the root list containing the x with root list h. So we apply min h equal to nil or key of x less than key of min h. Then x value are inserted to min h and nh may value inserted nh plus 1. For example, if given Fibonacci heap like 23, 7, 3, 18, 52, 38, 39, 41, 17, 30, 24, 26, 46, 30. We insert 21 element. So 21 element is inserted in the Fibonacci heap in this place left of min h. So 21 is placed here min h and after insertion of 21 we find this type of Fibonacci heap. How Fibonacci heap union? The Fibonacci heap union like to h1 h2 make Fibonacci heap tend to h. So min h1 inserted to min h. Concatenate the root list of h2 with the root list of h. If min h equal to nil or min h is not equal to nil and min h less than equal to min h1, then min h में min h2 placed हो जाएगा. nh की वैल्यू nh1 plus nh2 से बनेगी फ्री ऑब्जेक्ट h1 h2 रिटर्न h. So how Fibonacci extract ये यूनियन. For extraction min h की वैल्यू assigned to value of z If z is not equal to nil, the weak extraction possible होगा. Then each child x of z do add x to root list of h and parent of x equal to nil. Remove z from the root list of h, z right of z, then min h equal to nil, min h equal to right of z, consolidate h, and h equal to ns minus 1 and return z. For example, check min key. So given Fibonacci heap is this. We want to extract the minimum key. Minimum key equal to 3. If we extract the minimum key 3 equal to of this Fibonacci heap, then this level is upgraded and act as a root node. So 23, 7, 21, 18, 39, 52, 38, 41, and 17, 30. And min is shifted to the next 17. But after the extraction of min edge, this node is not a min edge. So we apply the 17 order is 1 and 24 order is equal to 2. This is circular information content 23 order equal to 0. Now 7 order 0 and 0 already order stored in database. Then we check which is the minimum key 7 and which is the minimum key among the 7 and 23. So 7 is minimum. We perform the union. 23 is connected, become a child of 7, or 7 is become the parent of 20. After union, we check the degree of 7 equal to 1 and 1 degree already recorded in the database. We compare the key value. The key of 7 is less than key of 17. So 17 connected, left of 7. After union, x become the degree 2 and degree 2 also are already connected in the database. So we compare x7 between 24. 7 is the minimum. So 24 become the left children of 7. Now the degree of 7 become equal to equivalent of 3. So new database store the degree of 7. Now next 21 degree equal to 0. Next 18 degree equal to 1. Now 52 is degree 0 and 21 information already stored. So check the key value 21 or 52. 21 is the less than 52. So 21, 52 become the children of 21. Now 21 degree 1 or 1 degree already connected. So 21 is the maximum key with respect to 18. So 21 become the children of 18. Now degree equal to 2. This 38 upon 41 degree equal to 1. Now it is the extraction of Fibonacci. Now min h equal to 7. Now this algo of decreasing key. So Fibonacci decreasing key like that. Min h equal to 7 and 18, 38 is given. Suppose we want to decrease value of 26 to 5. So we apply and mark value already marked given. So we apply and 46 decreases to 5 and 26 decreases to 15. So we apply 46 is disconnected, decreases by 15 and connect to the root 15 and mark the 24, parent node of 24. Now 26, now 35 decreases to 5. So 35 decreases to 5 and 26 already marked. After section of decreasing of key, then double mark of 1026. So cascading apply 26 is also connected here. For extracting of 26, 24 already marked. After this connection of 26, this their children, then 24 double mark and cascading of 24, then 24 also become a root of image. Now we check the minimum value of the root. The minimum value of the root equal to 5. So min h equal to 5. This is the decreasing Fibonacci key decreasing. Now again explain. If you want to decrease key of given tree, if you want to decrease 35 to 46 to 15 and 35 to 5. So first 46 decreases in 15 and 46 is the children of 24. So after decreasing, we mark the parent node of 46 equal to blank. And these decreases is connected as a root of left of image. Now 35 decreases to 5. So 35 decreases by 5. So 5 is connected left arm image and 26 mark already. After extraction of 35, decreasing of 35, it contain double mask. So cascading apply 26 is become the root of left arm image. Now 24 marked already. After disconnecting of 26, it contain the double marks. So 24 also become the left root of image. After applying, we check the minimum value of root. So find minimum value the root equal to 5. So Fibonacci heap min h is 5. This is the process of Fibonacci heap decreasing. So time complexity. We compare the time complexity among binary heap worst case, binomial heap worst case, Fibonacci heap amortized. So make heap constant in both heap. Insert log n, binary heap case, binomial heap may be also complexity of log n, but okay, amortize equal to theta 1. Minimum binary heap may theta 1, binomial heap may we go of log n, यहाँ पे theta 1. Extract minimum key, binary heap contain the complexity theta of log n, we go of log n. Union, binary heap, worst case, theta n, we go log n, theta 1. Decreasing key, log n, and theta 1. Delete key, log n, and log n. So now this is the time complexity according to binary heap, worst case, binomial heap, worst case, and Fibonacci heap, amortized. Now difference between binomial heap, Fibonacci heap like that. In a binomial heap, we delete the key, while in the Fibonacci heap, we decrease the key. In the binomial heap, is form of ordered tree, while in Fibonacci heap is unordered tree. Application, binomial heap is used for shortest path, finding the shortest path, and combine the Fibonacci heap used for the combined PQ. So now lecture summary of today lecture. Today we differentiate between binomial heap and Fibonacci heap, give definition, and next the representation of binomial heap and representation of Fibonacci heap. Fibonacci heap is like that circular doubly linked list. Next, what type of operation possible in binary heap, binomial heap, and Fibonacci heap. how Fibonacci heap inserted element inserted in a Fibonacci heap. We explain with the help of example how perform the Fibonacci heap union and extraction. Extraction of minimum key of Fibonacci heap explained by this example. Next, how decrease the minimum key and compare the time complexity among the Fibonacci binary binomial and their application and difference between Fibonacci and